Hi children, welcome back to the Max class. So easy conceptual learning by Saujanya. So in the last video we have learned about the additions of like and unlike fractions. Yes or no? So in the same way, let us go into the use the second arithmetic operation. Let us see how we are going to do the fractions in the second arithmetic operation, that is subtraction. So what is that? Subtractions. Right. So in the similar, as I told you in the additions, this is also of the similar way. That is, you are having both like and unlike. Okay. So we have two categories here, that is like and unlike. So this will give you the similar impact as we are doing additions, children. So this is not a addition and subtraction are both almost to be equal, like except for their arithmetic operation, the procedures will be the same. Okay. So now let us see in case of like fractions. So as the denominators are equal, we tell them as a like fraction. Yes or no? So let us take the examples of like fractions. 7 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Now see, as the denominators are equal here, denominators are equal in the sense they are like fractions. So just subtract the numerator under the common denominator. 7 minus 2 gives you 5, 5 by 3. Even in subtraction also, after doing the arithmetic operation, if there is any possibility, convert the fraction into its simplest form. Okay. So wherever there is possibility, don't forget to convert, because the final answer should be in the simplest form of the fraction. So 5 by 7, you cannot convert it. Why? Because both are prime numbers. Yes or no? Yes. So this is how you do the like fraction. So is it similar to the addition? Yes. There you do addition. Here we do subtraction. That's only the difference here. And even for unlike fraction also, let us see one example telling you see, there are two numbers, two different denominators given here. Two different denominators, in the sense it is an unlike fraction. Now how to do subtraction? In the similar way, as I told you, our first thing is you have to convert the like fraction to unlike fraction. So first this like fraction, how we have to convert them by, what we have to do? We have to do the LCM for both the denominators. Now as both are prime numbers, there won't be any common number. So both are prime numbers. So what is your thing? You just simply multiply them. That is, or else if you do a LCM also, it will become the same thing, children. As I told, because they are prime numbers, if you multiply them, it will be sufficient. So 3 times of 5 gives you 15, where this fraction, the first fraction, should be multiplied by 5 to get the denominator 15. So into 5 and into 5. Okay. Now next this one. So this one into 3 and then into 3. Now see, write the fraction first and then we will do the subtraction. 7 5s are 35 by 3 5s are 15 minus 3 2s are 6 and 5 3s are 15. So now what we have done, we have converted the unlike fraction to the like fraction by doing LCM of the denominators. Now 15, as there is a common number, that is, see, subtract only the numerators because the denominators are equal. So under the common denominator, okay, so 35 minus 6, 35 minus 6 is how much, children? 29. So 29 by 15, where this is only the simplest form of the fraction. So is that clear, children? Yes. So both these, that means both like and unlike fractions for additions as well as subtractions, both are similar. So if they are in unlike fraction, convert them. Convert the unlike fractions, that means the denominators, into like fraction and then do the necessary arithmetic operation, that is whether it is an addition or subtraction. Is that clear, children? So both have the same procedures to be followed. Even for this, when you go for the subtraction here also we have the similar thing. Like when you take a normal, that is a whole number. If you take a whole number, even then you will have the same procedure. Okay, let us take one example for that procedure. Okay, so 3 by 7 minus 5. Okay, so this 5 can be written as 5 by 1. Okay, remember that whole numbers can be written as have the denominator of 1. If it doesn't have any denominator, you should write it by 1. Okay, 3 by 7 minus. Now take the LCM for 7 and 1, 7. So you should multiply the other side with 7, into 7 and into 7. So this becomes here. Yes or no? Yes, children? Yes. So you might wonder, like when you have such type of sums, suppose we will take a number like 5 minus, because this number already we saw. Let us take in this way. Why? The first number, if it is a whole number, you will have by 1. Okay, so you might wonder why miss started that sum and why miss rubbed it in, because when these are the things which are going for the small sections, they will not have that much of thinkingness to subtract a smaller number, a bigger number from the smaller number. So that is the reason. Let us go in their convenience only. Okay, so that is the reason why I took this side, and you will have this as a model, like when you take the first fraction as a whole number. So 5 by 1 minus 3 by 7. So times of 7 and times of 7. So this becomes 35 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Now see, they came into like fractions. Subtract them. 35 minus 3 by 7. Okay. So 35 minus 3 is nothing but 32 by 7, where they cannot be cancelled anymore, and this is the simplest form of the fraction for the given fractions. Is that clear, children? Yes. Do you have any doubts regarding any topic of the maths? You can please send me in my comment section, and I'll surely send you a reply regarding that, making as a video, so that will be helpful for your maths. And I want you to learn the concept. It's not that the way you have by heart the maths. So hope this channel is making you more efficient in knowing the concept and more efficient in knowing the application where we have to apply the concept. Yes, children? Yes. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.